Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about dealing with people that will not support you towards becoming the best version of yourself. And it goes without saying that the more you progress in life, the more you look like you're achieving your goals, you're becoming the person that you've always wanted to be, or the more you feel like you have direction and you're becoming successful, the more people will become negative. And the closer you are towards becoming the best version of yourself, whatever that looks like, the more you find that you're going to lose people along the way. And that's completely natural. Not everyone is going to support your movement, not everyone is going to be progressing at the same pace, and not everyone is going to be in agreement of, you know, working towards what you're trying to work towards. And you know, the journey towards finding your real passion, finding out who you are, means that you're constantly changing as a person. You're seeing life in a different perspective, you've got different morals, you've got different visions, and you've got different things that inspire you, and the things that people that aren't motivated towards, you know, achieving bigger and better things in their lives, or people that aren't motivated towards building a career, you're going to find that you don't have the same passions anymore, and naturally you drift, and that's okay. It's okay to lose people that don't support you out of the way. Sometimes losing people means that you're finding out who you are. It means that you have the time to process things, you have the time to figure out who you are without any distractions, without negativity, and without people weighing you down. So if you find that you're losing people along the way, then it's probably for the best. People that are for you, people that support you, you're not going to lose them along the way. They're only going to find ways, different ways to support you and different ways to stay in your life. Support you, your true friends, people that value you the most, will find ways and time to maybe support you, or find ways and time for you so that you can still nourish those relationships. Sometimes people don't support you because their vision is limited, so do not let other people's limitations of what they can do for themselves stop you from going to the next level. If it may be a situation where you find that you lose a lot of people along the way, then so be it. As long as you are working towards being the best version of yourself, you're not harming anyone along the way, you will attract people that are for you. After all, life changes, no one was born to stay the same. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.